Bitcoin against US dollar has made a breakout to the upside, and we can see what has happened in several days behind us, where the price has made a breakout above 41,400 and then reached also 44,000. So the previous week analysis has mentioned that the price could make a breakout to the upside and move to these price levels, which are very important. And we can see that the price is heading also towards 45,000. So if we go to the weekly time frame, we can see this is a completely bullish movement right now, and the price is moving to the upside, which is very close to the 45,500. So if we go to the monthly time frame, everything looks bullish as expected, and it was predicted that the price will reach these price levels. So the price is moving to the upside, and what we can see for this month will be probably a bullish one, because the price is heading and it's moving to the higher price levels. But what we can expect is that when the price reaches this price level, which is 47,000, the price will bounce back down. So it will be also a bullish breakout, and this bounce back down or retrace, we will see how long it will take. But for that, as it looks right now, we need to go to the weekly time frame, and we have 3 more weeks until this month ends. So anything can happen. The price could reach this price level and then return back below 37,000 and making this bullish breakout as a failed one, and making, for example, a bearish pin bar that will suggest even further decline down. Everything can happen in 3 weeks. We need to see and go step by step. But for now, as it looks, we can see on the weekly time frame, this is similar, where the price will reach around 46,000, and we can see it here 47,000 on the weekly time frame. So it is the same target on the weekly, and for sure I'm expecting the price reaching 46,300 as it looks right now. After that, I'm expecting a retrace back down. So if we go to the daily, we can see what happens. We can see that the price is having issues reaching this price level 45,500, because we can see it here as some kind of a small indecision on the market, but we can see Friday candle has closed above these 3 candles, which is suggesting further move up. So for this week, we have 2 more days until this week ends, but what I'm seeing here, there's a very high chance price reaching 45,500 for now. If the price returns back down and closes below 43,300, the next level where it will stop is 42,000, which is just start of this demand zone. So for now, I'm expecting the price will reach up this area and from there making a retrace. So if you would like also to check what would be my entry ideas with the stop loss and the take profit for the next week, you can also check my trading community, which with the link below in the description, or visit getnotrading.com website. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading!